In this video, I'm going to show you how to skip cutscenes in Ghost of Tsushima. So, first of all, we're going to talk about can you even skip the cutscenes? Well, the answer to this is yes and no. So, both the people who are saying yes and both who are saying no are pretty much right, okay? Because you can skip cutscenes in Ghost of Tsushima with one important restriction. This feature is only available in New Game Plus. So, of course, you have to firstly complete the first playthrough, and during your first playthrough, there's no option whatsoever to skip the cutscenes, whether they appear in the main story, side quests, or any other cinematic sequences. Sucker Punch designed the game this way to ensure players experience Jin's full story the first time through without any skips and misinformation. Now, the step 2 is then of course to start New Game Plus, so once you finish the game and you begin the New Game Plus, the option to skip cutscenes will be unlocked and available to you. This will allow you to bypass all the cinematic scenes and get back into the action straight in, okay, so without any waiting. So in summary, while you can skip cutscenes during your initial run, this option becomes available in New Game Plus when you start a new game. And the way you do this is by holding down the X key to skip the cutscene. Now, this message also displays on top of your screen while the cutscene is playing, okay, while the cinematic animation is playing. And yes, if you're playing on a console, it's gonna say X, and if you're playing on your computer, you have to hold down X as well, and you'll see that at the top of your screen. So I hope this video explained to you how to skip cutscenes in Ghost of Tsushima, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel.